Solid Edge Technical Publications makes creating interactive technical documentation and illustrations directly from 3D design data fast and easy. A host of new and improved functionalities make it simple to clearly communicate manufacturing, installation, and maintenance procedures for your products. New selection capabilities allow the organization of groups of parts and subassemblies into named sets, making it easier and faster to select, show, or hide multiple parts at the same time. Here we'll focus on this single mold assembly to build a document that describes the cleaning process. The new View Carousel function makes it easy to navigate through illustrations within a storyboard. Creating an interactive view is fast and easy. Here we can accommodate multiple 3D views on a single page. Selecting a part on the right displays it in the view on the left. The next page includes step-by-step instructions for cleaning the mold assembly. The best way to visualize this process is to mimic it through an exploded view with dynamic text boxes providing instructions. Adding buttons to step through the process is made quick and easy by using the new manual markup resizing options. Not only can you import all native Solid Edge exploded views, but you can also create custom exploded views within Solid Edge Technical Publications. Adding an interactive parts list is as simple as drag and drop. The parts table is automatically displayed based on the 3D model metadata. A new, powerful, and versatile parts list editor also makes it easy to customize the table. Adding an illustration table allows us to quickly switch between the collapsed and exploded views of the mold assembly. The project can be published to industry standard formats such as 3D PDF, or as in this case, HTML5. The rich interactive documentation can be viewed in any web browser without additional plugins. With new 360-degree publishing, get an all-around view of your product. The automated functionality allows for a more robust presentation of your designs, a great way to capture images for product and stakeholder meetings. Clickable Svg is another new feature which allows us to publish an illustration in an interactive SVG format. When a part in the model is selected, the corresponding row in the table will also be highlighted. With Solid Edge Technical Publications, create high-quality documents and illustrations faster, directly from your 3D models. To learn more about Solid Edge, visit solidedge.siemens.com.